Hi everybody. I was gonna do this on my video earlier today, but I kind of forgot. How do I want to say this? I guess this would be kind of just a pissed off rant. I mean, now this is directed towards Victorinox. Okay. You know, I understand you guys are, times change. I understand, you think certain models are, not liked or whatever. I don't know what the fuck you guys are thinking, to be honest with you. I really don't. Very recently, Victorinox, you guys discontinued this. This is the Walker. 84mm blade combo tool saw. This is one of my fucking absolute favorite. Period. I have two medium-sized favorites, and they are both discontinued. Walker and the Champion. What in the actual fuck are you people thinking over there in Switzerland? Do you got some good weed? I mean, come on. The Champion, granted, yes, you got the Swiss Champ, which is this with a pair of pliers. I don't like the fucking pliers. So I've got 4 of these here that I can switch back and forth. Plus, I have 2 older models hanging up on my bedroom wall of the Champion. They have the old gray mag glass, and there's only like 3 fucking back tools, 2 or 3 back tools on it. I mean, I guess I don't understand, what your business model and all that shit. But if any of your knives deserve to be brought back, that's the Champion. See? There's 2 right there. Now, I implore you to make one change. If you guys can bring back the Champion, get rid of that fucking piece of shit. Put the other style or some other type of magnifying glass on it, because this is junk. I hate. You got plastic type scales. You don't need this. I don't care if the lens is glass. I don't care if it's plastic. I don't care if the lens is made of gold. You get rid of this fucking garbage plastic housing on it. For the price of your knives and, how much people love them, make a housing for a magnifying glass out of brass or micarta or, G10 would be even better. But plastic? Come on, you guys. Seriously. And the Walker. Bring it back with the Celador, like this one. And then build it in Alox too. There's a thought. And then you could do it in not just 84mm in Alox, you could do it in 93mm in Alox. You could do it in 91mm Celador. I got online, I don't know, a few weeks ago, because I heard about these being discontinued. I was going to buy 2 or 3 more of them, just so I had them. Gone. Everywhere, they're gone. You can't even buy, I think most of my first Victorinox with the saw, the ones, same goddamn thing, just with a rounded blade. Most of them are pretty much gone too. You can bring those back even. My kids love those. And I could buy some of those and I put regular blades on them. I mean, I just don't understand. I mean, I wish somebody would like get on here or something and explain this shit to me. Because personally, I don't get it. I think the Champion was probably at one time, probably would be again. It would probably be a top seller. But no, you want to bring out that fucking, that replica, the 1890 whatever the fuck it is, replica, and you want to charge $500 for that? No. If the fucking liners were made of gold, I still wouldn't buy it, because I'd strip the fucking thing down and for the gold. Sure, it's nice to look at, but no. Come on, you guys, bring back the Walker, bring back the Champion. I'm sure there's a few other ones you guys could bring back. I heard you guys are discontinued a lot of the Evo scaled ones. There's a lot of those that a lot of people like too. So just keep that in mind for the future, and take it into consideration how many millions of customers Victorinox actually has. Millions upon millions of customers. Some multiple times over, like myself. I've got about 400 Swiss Army knives, different models up in my room hanging up. And I, like my previous video, the Champion, I've carried a Champion every day, religiously. Unless I have to go somewhere where knives, you can't have a knife, like a courtroom or something like that. Every single day for the last 6 years, 7 years, every day I've had a Champion on my belt in a leather sheath. This is the 4th Walker that I've had. Dummy me. I built 2. I used the parts from that, from the Celador. And I built 2 in Alox. One's black, one's gray. That's why I say, geez, hang on, let me get my fancy rubber band off my little box here. I gotta take everything out of this container anyway. But because it's all going in a bigger one. I muffled down the black a little bit to make it look a little distressed, because I built that. Built it the way I wanted it. Blade. Combo tool. Saw. Of course, when I drilled the rivets out, I fucked this end up a little bit, and I had to makeshift pins for it, kind of. Little seats for it. Turned out alright. But 84 millimeter. Come on, guys. I know y'all are smarter than that. I mean, of course, you did steal my fucking idea. Pricks. Yeah, and I think a lot of people, if this was on Facebook, a lot of people would know exactly what I'm talking about too when I said you guys stole my idea. I made the Farmer X first. I sold 2 or 3 of them before you guys even announced anything about that model. I built them. Where's my money? No, but seriously, like I said, this rant is for Victorinox. What are you guys thinking? You guys are screwing up. I mean, there's a lot of the models I've seen that y'all discontinued, which I completely understand. It was kind of stupid to have them out anyway. Granted, white lighted Midnight Manager, they're pretty decent, but the light kind of pointless because they're not very bright. Sorry, not sorry. I think I've got 2 of them hanging on my wall. The Manager is fine. It's got the pen. Don't need the light. Same with the Mini Champ. There's no point in having a light on a Mini Champ. Those LEDs, they're not bright enough. It's nice for close up, you know, if you're really close up to something, looking for something. But other than that, they're pointless. And like I said in my last video, it's like titties without nipples. They're pointless. But I hope this gets to Victorinox and they kind of hash something out. I mean, I made that Alox one. If I hadn't boogered up this end, the holes in the scales, that would have taken me 20 minutes to put together. Took me a little longer because I drilled out. I had the wrong drill bit and I wasn't paying attention, and zip. Yeah. So I had to drill the other side out to match, and I had to make. Fuck, camera sucks ass. I had to drill them out so they're even, and those are actually the caps you would find on this. They're just recessed into the Alox scales. I admit I screwed up. It happens. But come on, guys. At least bring the Champion back with a different housing for the magnifying glass. And then maybe you could figure out a different tool and put that little wrench on there, and then put something else on the other side of it. Definitely not the light, because that's just stupid too. Sorry. I don't like them. They're dumb. But that's it. I hope everybody out there has a awesome day. Stay safe. My area has got a lot of tornado warnings out. I highly doubt we're going to see anything like that around here, but never know. Stay safe. If you're near them wildfires anywhere, hope you are safe or can get away from it. If you're out in near the heat wave and shit, I have no idea what the temp is out here, but I was outside here a couple hours ago. Holy shit, it was fucking hot. It was like walking out my door, I was walking into hell because it was so damn hot. But anyway, everybody have a wonderful afternoon, evening, whatever it is where you are. I'm out.